dates. See guys, too much dates. Hello guys, dito na naman tayo tatambay habang naghihintay ng bus, di ba? O gabi na. Ginabi na kami. Kasi kumain pa kami ng chai at uminom kayo ng maruya. Banana Q. May banana Q rito. Ayan, dito lang tayo sa podium. Ayan. Si Kabayan. Di ba? Ganda-ganda ni ate. Oh. Diba? Bakit parang nakazoom? Yan. Hintay ulit tayo. Hintay lang, hintay lang. Ayan o guys. Ito yung mga Nescafe rito, 18 reals. 18 reals na lang, dati 23. Ayan. Tapos yung Coffee Mate, pampadiabetes, ayan, 9.50 na lang. Tapos yung Nescafe na Gold, may ginto yan, may ginto sa loob. Habang kumakain ka, may ginto, mga diamante. 24 na lang. Dating 32. Ayan. Ito yung mga tang-tang. Mga tang. Ayan, dating 50 ngayon, 41 na lang. Ayan, mga tang. Concentrated. Ayan. Dito lang yan sa dates, spices and nut chocolates. Yan, dyan. Dito yan sa bus station patungo ng Cubao. Bus station patungo ng Cubao. Cubao. Ayan. Ito lang muna tayo. Ayan. Pangalagay siya sa taas, yan tawiran doon. Pag galing ka doon sa ibang lugar, dito katatawid papunta dito. Hanggang dito sa baba. Ayan. Mainit na naman. Mainit. All at once. Punta mo tayo dito. How many years before they come?
2 years.
2 years again. Hey guys, tayo sa MRT Pedro Hill. 2 years before the bus. Pati ako nagikiitik na rin yung salita eh. 2 years before coming outside, inside. Mino coming. What problem you guys? What problem you? See. I let you go, I let you fly. Now I know. I let you go. Ayan guys, mga Bangladesh. Mga Bangladesh. Yan. Kasama ganyang grupo mga Bangladesh, mga nauna yung mga tiyan lumakad. Ayan, ganyan mga tsura ng Bangladesh. Yung mga nakaupo doon, yung mga itik. Itik-itik sa Manila Zoo. Itong dalawa mag-lovers, yan ngayon lang sila nagtagpo. Yan. Yan. May asim pa si Lolo. Char. I'll let you go, I'll let you fly. How I know. Now that I found the ways to be somehow more than ever can bow. I close my eyes. Ito ilagay. Nahihawakan. Yan. Pasok. Kasi mainit. Mainit sa didi. I put in my bag. You okay? Everything good? You thinking something? What you thinking? Money?
When he will give money.
Huh?
When he will give money. How much?
He give you money? No. I told him. He said he will send to you. I told him you don't have anything. Even wife you don't have. I told him. What he need? Of course. Money. If he told you he need wife, you can give. No. No. Money is everything. No money, no honey. Everything. Everybody need money. Tomorrow I will put on the report. I put employee salary because he came. He never mind everything. Maybe not coming the money from Sinopec. That's why you don't have money. He came from site, right? Maybe he's digging my computer there, checking everything. I know that one, but he cannot see anything. Everything I remove. I let you go. I let you fly. I know. I'm asking why. I let you go now. The way to be somehow more than a broken bow. I close my eyes and I see realize. I close my Wala pa yung bus namin na A3. Ang tagal. A3. Ito tayo sa puno. Ay, baliktad ka. Bakit ka nakabaliktad? Ayan guys. Ayan. May mga ukay-ukay dito, mga ukay-ukay. Ayan, mga t-shirt, mga sando. Ukay-ukay. Sa mga trolley. Init. Tayo, init.